Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. January 7. Ardent longing necessary to create love for Nama. Most aspirants wonder why they are unable to develop real fondness for Nama. A little thought will, however, show that the question itself is incorrect. It is like a question by a woman who has not yet born a child. How can I experience maternal love? Maternal love, as everyone knows, comes naturally to a woman who bears a child. The correct question to ask would therefore be how the woman will bear a child. Similarly, an aspirant should ask how a desire to chant or meditate on Nama will be created. Who really prevents us from chanting it? No one indeed but ourselves. Really speaking, all that we have to do is to resolve to chant Nama and begin to do it. It is our duty to practice Nama, and love for it will naturally follow. Just as for a woman, her child and natural maternal love are inseparable, so too love for Nama is inherent in the practice of it. If we do not experience love for Nama, the evident reason is that we do not repeat it with the requisite earnestness. But the sadhaka may argue, I do repeat Nama and yet do not experience love for it. Why is this so? If we honestly and thoroughly search within ourselves, we discover that we do not repeat Nama with the real sincerity. We do it only superficially, not at all from the heart. We repeat Nama solely because the Sadguru or the saint ask us to do it, or even merely as a recreation or occupation for an idle mind. Of course, even so, Nama will do its job. We should have intense yearning for Nama as a mother has for her firstborn after years of childlessness. An earnest sadhaka should keep himself aloof from women. Even a siddha should remain away from women, although he is mentally detached. Spiritual development should be natural and unconscious, like that of the body. In spiritual quest, to preserve and maintain what is achieved is even more difficult than the achievement itself. A sadhaka should never entertain the idea that he has achieved something. One who entertains that notion has in reality achieved nothing. A woman should not give up namasmarana even if the husband does not favor it, nor need she fear that she is thereby transgressing the limits of marital duty. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.